Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here to redo videos. Apparently that's my life. I've had the worst trouble with YouTube here lately, and I don't know. I'm picking stuff up, so sorry, my voice going in and out. Don't know if it's just me or what, but I just had to do a Tuesday morning haul over, and I'm doing this one over, which is, well, it's still Tuesday morning and a little bit of Joann's, but I don't know, I'm having the hardest time uploading stuff. Then the videos go without sound, but they play with the sound before it's uploaded, and when I'm trying to upload, it says I'm not me, and it'll kick me out, and it's just, then or the monetization button won't stay on. It's just like a whole bunch of stuff keeps happening. And the other thing was I couldn't even type in my my box, the tags. It would only let me type like 3 or 4 tags, and then it says it's full and it's not full. So I don't know if anybody else is going through. I know like the 13th and 14th of December, they were going through and knocking out spam people that were on your account, and they were supposed to be doing something else. But I don't know if that's what it was, but it has just been a nightmare for the last week or so trying to get videos. The last couple of weeks, I can't even comment on my own videos. When people make comments, I can't even respond to them. It's stupid. They keep saying I'm not me, but I can respond on other people's videos, but I can't respond on mine. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I rant and rave, but that's just letting you know that's why some of my videos I was consistent, and all of a sudden things happen and I don't know what's going on. And I'm struggling with it. So I'm doing this video over again, and hopefully the sound will be there. So Tuesday morning. Well, let me back up. I got a smaller part for Joann's. Let me just do that real quick and then do it Tuesday morning. So, Park Lane. First time I had seen it, my Joann's stays behind the times, not current, but they did have this Park Lane. I was in there with one of my girlfriends, and we were in there shopping, doing this, she's trying to make some for her staff, some stuff, so I was in there with her, helping her pick out something, not shopping for me at all. But we saw the paper, buy one, get one free. And I said, oh, wow, and I was on her side of the water, and they had this 110-pound weight paper, printed paper, and I was like, okay, well, I haven't seen it in my Joann's. Let's go get it. It's buy one, get one free. It's, I think, $4.99, $5.99 each. So I said, okay, 2 for $6. It's 100 sheets. Okay. So I get up to the register. It didn't ring up. So, and I told the guy about the sign, so he comes over. He said, well, the Park Lane is excluded. I said, but your sign doesn't say that. So we walk over there. And he said, well, let me check and see if any of them ringing up. So he checked on the regular paper that wasn't Park Lane, and their buy one, get one free was not showing up in the computer, but yet he had the stamped, the advertisement there with the date range. So he said, okay, obviously something's wrong. So he went back over there, he gave it to me, and then he also let me use her coupon. I think it was another 20 or 30% off for the day. So I ended up paying $4.89, I think, or something like that, for both these pads of paper. Could not beat it for 110 pounds. I mean, you can't beat that, and it's pretty. So the first one is called, I already opened in one of them, both of them up, I think. Yeah, this is the primer, pattern primer. So this is the print on that one. Of course, they're core white. I wish they had some 110-pound weight paper that wasn't core white. This one hasn't been opened yet, but this is the brights. Sorry about that. So anyway, you've probably already seen that, but again, that's new to mine. I had to order some more stuff since I was home. My vacation started on the 14th. Yay! I can't even say yay until the 2nd. Yay! So, we actually closed down. We call it furlough, but we get paid. Well, we don't have to work during that time. Actually, it's supposed to be the 19th, but I had flex time for traveling, so I had a few days off earlier, so I saved my flex time. It's like, boom, I'm just going to work every day and save it up for the holidays. So anyway, I'm off. Joann's also online had these cheaper than Avery, so I got them there. They were, I think these were $5 something each. And this might have been $6 and $7. Yeah, so I got those just so I can work on some of that while I'm home. I need to be doing some crafting, but I need to do some organizing more. So, back to TM. So, I added on to my last haul, because when I did the first video, I didn't have 2 things in here, but I'm adding to it. This is the Snap Studio Pocket Pages. And they're up to $2.19. Used to be $1.99, but it's 205-2725. So I've had some of these before. This is a 6x12, and then you have the 4x6s over here. What I use this for more so than scrapbooking is I use this in my book with my Prima dolls. And I've showed this before when I was doing a Prima doll collaboration. But I stamp out the dolls, and I use them on the 6x12 side. And then I stamp out the clothes in different colors, and the clothes, the shoes, and accessories or whatever in different sections over here. And one of my subscribers gave me a tip because I was like, oh, some of my stuff was falling off. She said, use your seam. So I used my, you know, that seam thing, the hot thing. Oh my gosh, what's the name of it? Thank you. I know you just said it. That thing with the wheel, the hot. Yep. And then that way I can make my opening smaller, and I can stick my copies in there. Next time I do another Prima doll, I'll show it. But I've shown that before. So anyway, I got some more of those for that. Because I think I only needed 2 more, but that was a pack of, I think that's a 7-pack. So I picked this up. This is the Font Punch. This is the Marquise, and this goes along with the We Are Memory Keepers stamp. Sorry, We Are Memory Keepers alphabet punch boards. And you can use some the mini or the large. Is 205-8683. Excuse me, it's only $1.99. Now you don't have to use it just for the alphabets, but this does dress up your alphabets and give them a little, that little cross. You can make the cross actually into, there you go. Sorry about the lighting. It is nighttime. It's the winter time. Lighting always sucks when you do the videos at night. But anyway, so that's some of the way you can decorate the letters. So you can do that with that punch, but I also say you can use this punch to make flowers, because you can just layer this 2 or 3 of them and just offset it and curl the sides up and get some dimensional flowers out of this little teeny punch for $1.99. So don't always pass and say, oh, I don't have the alphabet punch board, but you can. If you got any kind of alphas that, you know, paper quality, you can use this to punch it. It doesn't have to just be restricted to the alphabet punch board alphabet thing. And again, you can use this to make small flowers. Like we have a small 3x3 card, you might want a smaller flower, ATC, something small in proportion to that. So don't always snooze on those. This has been out for a while, this Crafter Companion fence. Finally decided to get it because I was thinking about making some embellies with it. And this is, of course, $3.99. $199-5422. And of course, you've seen this has been out for a little bit, but just finally decided to get it. So the rest of everything else is all BoBunny. And again, this is a remake, so this video is over a week old. I don't know what day I got it, like the beginning of the month, the day the 15th. I don't know when this video gonna make it up either. I apologize. 205-7536. I'm hoping it was just because they were doing those glitches with going through your accounts and knocking out spammers and all that other stuff. I'm hoping that's all it is, and now my account would be better. I don't know. But they're not being able to respond to my comments has been going off and on for a while. Anyway, so these are the 2 stencils. I like these because they're very abstract. You can do a lot of different things with these. This could be bubbles, you know, just whimsical circles. That could be a brick wall, a lot of different things. So use your imagination on that. And then my BoBunny dies. And there were still some more than ones, and I meant to go back and get the crown, and I left it. I forgot I had the stamp set, and I didn't get the crown and the keys. And I didn't get the little small trellis type one. Anyway, this is the Let's Play. It's called Let's Play. And as you can see, a whole bunch of sports. And actually, my kids have played everything up here except, I mean, as a former sport, I would say the volleyball. Now, these could be hockey sticks, or these could be lacrosse, or rugby. What's the thing I'm trying to say? Field hockey. My daughter did field hockey. So it just depends on how you want to use a stick. So I would count them. Cheerleading, field hockey. You know, they did the basketball, the football, the soccer, and the baseball. My grandson did the baseball. My kids never played baseball, which was really weird. And their dad played volleyball. So I played volleyball, but not as a sport. But he played it on the team when we were in high school. So anyway, I just thought I had that so we could scrapbooking. This I thought was really cute. This is the tea time, 205-7552. Of course, everybody's showing this now. Like I said, it had to be like 2 weeks. And I couldn't get it out with it. Sorry. I'm hoping it's going to work this time. But I thought it was really cute. I remember seeing a mixed media page with the stack cups by, I can't never say her last name. Papa something's Italian sounding. Beautiful artwork. She does a lot of mixed media. I think her first name is Nicole. I just forgot her name. Anyway, that's what made me think of that one. This is a banner tags die, so you can kind of see how that looks. And you have the 2 paper clips right here too as well. So that is 205-7550. I was on the fence about this one because I'm not really sure what I would do with it, so I may take this back. I'm not quite sure if I want to keep it. This is a tic-tac-toe that obviously, as you can see, what it is. 205-7547. I'm giggling because I was watching Wildin' Out, and the guy was joking. He said, honey, let's play a game of tic-tac-toe. I'll be the O and you be my X. Anyway, you get that joke. The next one is Gearing Up, and 11-piece. And as you can see, there's gears. It's a stamp. It's a coordinated stamp set to go with this. Sticker on the back of here. But you can kind of see what that looks like. I like stamps and clocks and gears. You know, I don't know why. Part of it's a steampunk look, but and part of it's just, I just like it's masculine, or I don't know. I just like things working, the inner workings of stuff. So I just like that. And then the last one I was really happy to get is the Belief one. Belief die. And this one, of course, is $5.99 like all of them. All of them $5.99 except for the tic-tac-toe, which was $4.99. But you got a dove across, a light bulb, a candle, the word God, belief, love, pray, and amen, and then like a little heart doily. So I really love the word dies because it's a different font, but just because you don't find those words written in dies. So I was excited to get that. So I'm praying this gets up there on my channel. I will say to everybody, please check out my link to my birthday giveaway challenge. I hope you participate in it. It's a memory dex, and it has some restrictions on the colors and the things that you can and can't do to make it a little bit more challenging and creative. And I'm giving away Tim Holtz platform travel size one from Tuesday Morning, and the case, and some diamond dots, and some dies, and Boston photo, and all that kind of stuff, and some handmade items. So anyway, check that out, and hopefully you'll play along, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.